Tech refrigeration and air conditioner specialist. Today we have a microwave. Our topic today, I just want to show you the parts which is inside the microwave. Okay, let's come closer. This one is the controller. Down here is the transformer. This one is the magnetron, thermocut off, high voltage fuse. This one, the silver thing, is a capacitor. The black thing is a diode. Here is the fan. On top here is the fuse. That's where is the incoming power. Thank you. Please share and subscribe our channel.